Go.
I think I'll have some champagne. It's comment number 2. I think we'll have some champagne. Why not? Would you like some, little guy? Would you like a chicken nugget? Yes. Would you like a glass with it? Yes. 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 Would you like the pop cork? Was it yet? Oops. Would you like some? Here you go. Did that wet your beak?
The end.